And I'm a little scared to say this in a good way, but you know, that sunyata, I don't even know why I need it or what I do with it, but you told me not to tell her I was doing anything, and she tried to ask me, and I said, no, I'm just doing my meditation, doing what I'm supposed to do. And you know, Jose, it's the most bizarre thing. I don't watch a lot of movies or TV, but you know, there's a character in the Marvel Doctor Strange, and he has this energy thing around him. It's like I can draw that, I can almost see that when I do the meditation, and it's very strange because my sister's gotten so much better over the last little while, and you know, you told me not to focus necessarily on the group, not to focus on one specific thing or one specific person, but you know, maybe that's why I forgot all the other meditations, because for whatever reason that helped me. She's doing a lot better. Thank you very much for asking about her. And she's really mad at me for not telling her what you told me, but I'm not going to. But you know, it was an incredible meditation in my particular circumstance. And I think the other ones I vaguely remember, and I'm going to definitely reach out to try and figure out how to do them properly. But you know, I'm struggling with the content in terms of volume versus applicability. I get a lot out of it, but you know, it's like other people seem to be understanding a lot more of the different meditations. And as I said, I'm not the quickest guy. I'm slow. So you know, I just focus on what I remember, and that's, for me, that seemed to be the one element that really made a difference in my life. And I'm telling you, it up to today, I mean, I can do it like this. And when I feel down, or if I feel sick, and I can draw the energy, especially when I drop it down. And it has been, I'm going to tell all my friends here that are listening, for me, it was just an incredible thing. And if you are struggling with that, maybe try it, because it seems to be the most incredible meditation I think I've ever done in my life. And I thank you for sharing, and everybody for helping me with understanding everything. So I'll stop because lots of questions, but thank you.
No, thanks to you, Amar, because it's exactly that. So we're giving a lot of practices to deprogram the mind, right? And some people, they need more deprogramming, others less deprogramming. And maybe you just deprogram what you have to deprogram, and now you just connect with Sanjata, and from there is more Sanjata meditation coming. And the healings you're talking, and the energy, you are actually going ahead, because this light that you're seeing, we're gonna address them in a few months. They are called primal lights, and with these primal lights we play, and we actually can have parallel realities and so on. So you are kind of advanced. And I'm going to tell you something. I was a very slow learner, but you're faster than me, because in the first Sanjata that I did, it was after I think it was my 2.5 years of meditation, or 3, I started to do the Sanjata, because I couldn't grasp it. I didn't know how to enter. And you are in the 3rd month, and you're talking about Sanjata experiences. So I think I was slower than you.